As we move forward in chapter 12, one of the things we're looking at is buying stocks. When you buy stocks, you can buy mutual funds, which are a collection of stocks. You can buy individual stocks. Either way, these formulas kind of hold true. So first thing you have to figure out is what's the total cost of the stock? And the stocks are it's going to be a number of shares that you're purchasing, maybe 10 shares. You're going to multiply that by the amount each share costs. Maybe the share is $25 a piece. So you multiply the number of shares that you're buying by the cost for each share. That's going to give you the total cost of the stocks, but the total amount that you have to pay for that transaction, you then have to add your commission amount. So you have to go through a stockbroker in order to have a purchase of stocks. So there are a few ways that the commission can be found. They might charge a flat fee, like E-Trade charges a flat fee, for example. It could be the rate per stock. So how much do you pay for every single share that you purchase? Or it could be a percentage of the total purchase, maybe a 5% fee of whatever it is that your total purchase is. It just depends on the brokerage, the company. So we're going to take a look at two of those options and what the difference in price would be. So if you bought 100 shares of a stock for $50.97 per share, you're considering two brokers. One of those brokers charges a flat fee of $15.95. The other charges 1.5 cents per share. What does each option cost? So let's look at this more closely. So first off, what is the total cost of the shares? So it's the number of shares times the cost per share. The number of shares here, it says, is 100. We multiply that times the cost per share, which is $50.97. And the cost of these shares then becomes $5,097. So in option A, we need the cost of the shares, which is $5,097 plus the commission amount. Here it's the flat fee. So option one is a flat fee of $15.95. When I add those together, the total amount that I'm going to have to pay for this purchase is $5,112.95. That's option A. In option B, I have to pay the $5,097 still for the stock, but now I have to figure out how much do I have to pay for the commission, right? That's the other part of this formula. So here it's a cost per share, and it says that it's 1.5 cents per share. So I'm going to go ahead and go 0.015 times the number of shares, which is 100. So I go 0.015 times 100. So that's going to only be $1.50. So it's the cost of the stocks plus the commission amount, which is $1.50. I add these together. It's $5,098.50. So in this case, it would be cheaper to go with option B.